Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you are all doing well. Today the topic of my recipe is a simple ice cream recipe. So the ingredients of a simple ice cream recipe is 2 cup heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, half cup granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Instructions of simple ice cream recipe. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy creams, whole milk and granulated sugar. Heat over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is hot but not boiling. Second, remove the mixture from the heat and stir in the vanilla essence. Let it cool to room temperature. Third, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or overnight. Fourth, once of the mixture chilled, pour it into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instruction. Fifth, once the ice cream is churned, transfer it to an airtight container and place it in a freezer to harden for at least 2 hours. Once the ice cream has hardened, scoop and enjoy. So